Hey F5 community, Aubrey here with DevCentral, and I happen to be joined by Itamar Golan from Prompt Security. How are you doing today?
Doing well, thanks for inviting me.
You're very welcome. It's great to finally see you in person, like you're real.
I'm a real person, apparently. Yeah.
So we are both involved in the OWASP Top 10 for LLM applications. And we see each other on those meetings and we see each other on Zoom calls about this integration here, but now we get to actually face to face. It's great. So getting down to it, how long have we been partners?
So it's pretty new. Formally, we just started. We've been exploring it together to see the mutual benefits of it for a while, but we've just declared the formal collaboration between us. Yeah.
That's awesome. First, can you tell the community what Prompt does?
Of course. So Prompt Security essentially helps companies to adopt AI massively without sacrificing what's important for them around data privacy and security posture. The most important model for this collaboration is our Firewall for AI, practically allowing and enabling companies to release Gen AI application in production, all of those co-pilots you can find anywhere and that we played with in OWASP Top 10, and protect those applications from the new threats, including all of the OWASP Top 10 risks like prompt injection and jailbreak, insecure plugin design, etc.
Awesome. So for those that haven't already been exposed to the solution, because it was publicly announced, can you describe what it is that we do together?
Yeah, very simple. A lot of companies already have some Gen AI applications arriving to production, a lot of the F5 customers. We would like to deliver a very simple way in a few clicks within the F5 distributed cloud UI to enable this firewall, putting something that's inspecting all the semantic traffic between the customer and the Gen AI application, the backend, and the LLM third party like OpenAI and Mistral and Anthropic, inspecting any prompt and response. Anytime we would find something that is violating the policy, like a prompt injection, like sensitive data leak, like a malicious content, harmful response, something around that, we would modify it or block it in real time, straight from the F5 environment, deployed in your distributed cloud. The dream, essentially.
It is, it really is, and honestly, it is simple. Well, I shouldn't say simple, it is, what does Francois say, ridiculously easy to get started. I have seen this myself, and it's like one command, right?
Mm-hmm. Simplified for you, one command, 60 seconds, and you are protected from most of OWASP Top 10 risks.
And then the cool thing, of course, if you've been paying attention in the community is, if you do that in one customer edge, you can replicate that globally in, again, seconds. So a really, really powerful thing for you if you're developing prompt-based applications.
Yeah, that's the beautiful part, by the way. Immediately, they can benefit your customers from all of the deliveries of F5, which are wrapping our firewall out of the box in a few clicks, yeah.
So then, I guess, in terms of the OWASP Top 10 for LLM apps specifically, what are you guys defending against explicitly?
So most of all, insecure plugin design and prompt injection and jailbreak and sensitive data disclosure. Any threat in the OWASP Top 10 which is related to a risk in real time, we can protect it from. Down the road, in our roadmap also probably would be delivered as part of the F5 at Prompt collaboration, we would support data poisoning and the other threats. But right now, the only grail of OWASP Top 10, prompt injection mostly.
Oh yeah, that's tricky, super tricky.
And we chose it to be number one for a reason,
Yeah, no doubt. So, anything that we can expect that's kind of new and on the roadmap for you guys?
Yeah, a broader support to OWASP Top 10 threats, better accuracy, better latency, a lot of nuances around the way we deploy within the F5 distributed cloud. You can get whatever you would like within the environment. You can deploy it in multiple ways, multiple geography, anything that you would need. And of course, we all the time improve the accuracy, the latency. We support more models, we support more integrations. But even now, immediately, you can get, I believe, 90% of the protection you need. Yeah.
I love it. I love it. It's great to hear, and it's great to finally meet you, man. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me.
My pleasure. Thanks for inviting me. It's so good to meet you in person.
Finally. Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you, F5 community, for tuning in. Keep it tuned here for RSA 2024 coverage, DevCentral. I'm Aubrey. Have a great day.